Y'all, I am so excited to be sharing this job lead. Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with a very exciting work from home job lead. This one is from the huge coffee company Starbucks, but there is no leaving your house or having to actually make coffee for people. Starbucks is hiring a data administrator. Now, this is remote within the United States. They are paying very well for this position, anywhere from $52,400 a year all the way up to $89,000 a year. Of course, they do note final compensation that you'll be offered between the $52,000 and $89,000 is based on your location, and of course, experience will play into that. As a data administrator, you will be entering information into databases and coordinating regularly and emergency database maintenance to keep all the information up to date. You'll process any data change requests and may modify information in related spreadsheets, files, or templates. You'll maintain history files and problem logs for each monthly system download and analyze any trends you find. They are not requiring any kind of a degree for this position. They want someone who has experience maintaining and working with large amounts of data and making sure the data is correct. They want someone who can focus on outstanding customer service and successful team dynamics, somebody who can balance multiple priorities at one time and still meet deadlines, someone who can work both independently and as a team, and someone who has the ability to support projects and manage the process independently, including defining, developing, documenting, and executing multiple related tasks. If this job lead was helpful, or if anything that I share has been helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up like button, and please share with your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.